guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cake inspired squishy. I realized that it has been way too long since I've done a squishy video, and I know you guys really seem to like those, so that's why I'm going to be doing it today. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so to start off, we're going to need some memory foam. I got this out of a memory foam pillow I found at Walmart. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pair of scissors and cut a triangle shape out of the memory foam. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to fix the edges later. Alright, so this is what it looks like after cutting the triangle out. The next thing I'm going to do is use my scissors and round the edges. As you can see, they are pretty jagged. I found that if you cut in smaller snips, the better shape it will be. And this is pretty time consuming, so just be sure to take your time on this. So after a lot of cutting, this is the shape I have. If you cut on the very edge of your pillow, you'll get this really nice finished edge for your cake, and I was really happy about that. So to make the icing, I decided to mix some white and pink puffy paint. I thought it would be really fun if I made strawberry icing, but you can use any flavor you like. Just so you guys know, I didn't get a clip of this, but as soon as the paint was dry, I went ahead and painted the bottom of the squishy as well. So now I'm going to take a smaller brush and paint around the outside. So I wanted this to be kind of like a layered cake, so I went ahead and put some pink frosting in the middle as well. So this is what the cake looks like so far, and I think it looks super cute. So I decided to make some chocolate cake, so I'm just going to be using some brown paint. You guys can use any flavor you like. When you're painting on the dark colors, be sure not to get it on the lighter colors because it's pretty hard to fix it afterwards. The color of my icing was a pretty light color, so as soon as the first coat was dry, I went ahead and put on a second coat. I wanted to add some fun colors to my squishy, so I went ahead and painted on some rainbow sprinkles. I am absolutely in love with this squishy. It was so much fun to make, and I just love all of the bright colors. I definitely think you guys should make this. It's really fun. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below other squishies you guys would like me to make. And again, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I do have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to check that out, it's alinkaloo.crafts. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Bye! See you guys next week!